Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make Parmesan chicken kebabs. Now this is a great range of flavor and something that I really enjoy making because it's very simple. Now what we're going to need is some peppers, get some green, red, orange, yellow, whichever you prefer. That chicken, we need some chicken breast, we need some salt, some seasoning, we need also onions because we're going to put those all onto the kebab sticks. The most important thing are these bamboo skewers. You can find these at any supermarket and they come in a big package of many. So you need these because these are all about this recipe. And what we're going to do is we're going to make that chicken and we're going to put it right into a pan and we're going to put some olive oil in that pan and we're going to really get that chicken nice and going, put some herbs in there and really do it up. And what we're going to do is literally just slide these right on to these bamboo skewers. That chicken, get that nice chicken breast, a nice big piece, and layer it. So you want to put those onions, those green peppers, the red peppers, the chicken, and just keep on skewering it until you get to the end of the stick. Open that up, stick those right on. They might slide down, so just watch it for a moment. We can do 2 at a time, or 3. We'll do 3. Now when you get a pro, you'll be able to handle these skewers like I am right here, but stack them on, always hold the bottom one, give it that tension. Close that lid. And you'll see these bamboo skewers to stick out so that you can have a grasp on them when you take it off. Take that pot holder or that towel, it's actually a little bit hot. That sizzle means that they are cooking up and that cheese is melting, and these are going to be some delicious Parmesan chicken kebabs. Again, when you lift up that top, hold the bottom skewer, take them out on your plate, and you've got yourself some Parmesan chicken kebabs. I'm Max Tucci, and thanks for watching.